Ate Paris, do you love your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah? How much?
So much.
So much. What's your sister's name?
Slim.
Celine?
Slim.
What's her name?
Slim.
Can you smell baby Celine?
Suck it. It's not good.
Smells good?
Yeah, I smell your.
Kailangan ka na po. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back. Where are we going? Good afternoon, everyone. Here's our baby girl there and Daddy Mike. Hello, Baba. Hello, Baby Celine.
Hello.
Kakadede lang yan.
Hello.
And what time is it now? It's nearly 1 o'clock. Aalis tayo ngayon, guys. So, today ay yung birthday lunch ni mami nyo. Kasi nga, di ba, nung birthday ko, wala kaming ginawa. And then, nag-ano kami na weekend after para mabigyan ng notice yung mga friendship natin. At makapunta sila doon sa ating birthday lunch sa Filipino Barbecue House sa Springvale. Unfortunately, yung iba hindi makakarating. So, isa lang pala, si Ems lang doon, tsaka yung husband niya, and kami. Kasi, yung iba, sinabihan ko sila earlier, but then, merong, ang tawag dito, may di inaasahang trabaho. So, kailangan nilang mag-work, and obviously, dapat work yung unahin, diba? Kasi yun yung pinaka-importante. So, yun. Sad si mami niyo. Sad. Sad talaga. Sad kasi wala yung mga tao na in-invite ko. But then, you know, I have my family here. So, it's still cool. So, naka-makeup si mami niyo ngayon kasi alam niyo na, birthday lunch. Para extended yung ating birthday. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung ating, nagpaano pa tayo? O, pa-dress. Mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit natin, guys. Nagmamadali kami kasi 1 o'clock yung lunch namin. Actually, alam niyo ba, na yung binook namin ay for, 8 adults, tsaka 2 kiddos. Pero, 4 adults na lang ngayon. And 2 kiddos. Oh, well. What's going on? I'll fix that for you. Oh, bring, Sharita, dito your handbag.
I got something in here.
What have you got in there?
Anthony's coming in?
Yes. Wow! Okay. Very nice day outside. Pero still, magdadala ako nito just in case mag-cold later on. You'll never know. Alam nyo naman, Melbourne tayo. So, we are going, people. Take you with me.
You remember? I didn't go
Can't
there.
wait. Hindi ako kumain kasi excited ako sa ating Filipino food. So, Filipino food 2 days in a row. Kasi yesterday with my bestie, diba? Kumain din tayo ng Filipino food.
Remember, you can get Ryan, Mr. Egg, or Ryan race car, or Paris Toys, or Sky Toys. I'm from Barbie Patrol, and you can get Waverly toys. And
Okay, anak. Non-stop ang kanyang toys. Hello, baby! Shh. Laway, laway. Hey, laway, laway. Laway, laway.
Kakis are there.
Okay, let's go.
what a happy day.
Ayan guys, ito yung ating pa-outfit of the day. Hala, ang sarap sa feeling pag naka-makeup ka ba minsan, di ba? Kasi parang, ewan ko, tao-tao lang tayo tingnan. So, ito yung ating pa-outfit. Bill pa more. Ito ang ating baby, Celine. And Daddy Mike's outfit here. Shoot it on Tito your outfit. There. Ate Paris' outfit. Yan. That's the family's outfit of the day. We're going na pala guys eh. Kasi kailangan, it's alright anak. Kailangan naming magpalagay ng ng petrol sa aming sasakyan kasi wala na pala kaming gasolina pa mo. Oh, I think that's my delivery. Hello, sweetheart.
Hey mate, how are you?
I think that's mine, Bob. I've got a text message that I'm getting my delivery today.
You wanna just lean in the car and I'll get
Okay.
the delivery thing.
Hello. We just got here, guys. Kakarating lang din pala nila, Ems. Day, gatawag unta ko nimo ka-sexy ay. Gatawag unta ko nimo ba? Kung order na mo.
Apa ko sa sakinan kay ang kuan. Ang short circuit sa baloy.
Ito mo na.
Suga ng buto.
Sila?
Abi kung may mo kung
Hi! Day! Iba rin ay.
lata kay kog fest. Kag party
Yung
ko.
mo, naniha.
Clubbing.
Party pa mo.
Asa tong gamay?
Parang gamay titong dito, Pikas.
Hello. Did you miss the ad?
Gimingan na siya sa imo, Day.
Did you miss the ad?
Ayan. Na-move na hinuktok siya, oh. Kasi tulog eh. Close na lang natin, nak, ha? Kaya makatulog ka, tiwas. Wala akong bag. Alright, you're holding the M's now? Can you push this one, Daddy?
Ito buta ng bag ninyo dara oy. Hala man ang baga na. Ako na i-print na be?
Lupigan lagi ka.
Ako na i-print na be?
Hello! Andito na kami. Hi, vlog. Oh, andito na ang ating dalaga.
Maikog juga na iya.
Ang mga lalakwe ay nandun na. Oh.
Sa ear
Open!
Your bag is
Uy, we're
nice.
hiring Filipino cook daw.
Teka na.
Na, wag yung pag-asa. Ay. Okay, hold tayo mga tita Ems.
Now we have this one.
Ay, mag-lag-in. Hello, that is my friend. Ano siya na? Ano siya? Hang on, Daddy, I'll get my phone.
Chili.
Anak, tita, is here, anak. Natulog muna, day. Nakabao man napakatulog pag putang sa kanan.
Ba. I'm here. You here? I'm here. Chili. Langga chili.
Oh, day, thank you sa imong panday, ha. I'll use that one, day.
Ganaan ka sa baho sabi.
Guys, oh, meron pala akong regalo. O, diba? Thank you. Thank you, day. Manghurang gila ni si Kuan. Manghurang ni si Lin. Ay,
Karong gabi ikaw, anak ka, supa ako nang bali ako.
hindi kasi ako mahilig sa guys, sa pahumot.
Hindi ka mahilig sa pahumot.
Hindi ako ngayon, hindi ako spray
Hindi
ba?
ako mahilig sa pahumot. So, Tagalog na lang.
Sige na mag-adjust. Ay, try natin. Oh, di ba bongga? Bath and Body Works.
You like it?
Sobrang hilig kasi ni Ems, guys, sa mga ganito.
Ginagay ko.
Sa mga spray. No! Babango na talaga ako nito ba?
Online.
Ko ano? Kung mahilak, ikaw pa na. Char.
Totoo yun, oy.
Smells so good. Hindi, wala talaga akong mga ganito, guys. Diba? Sa mga vlog ko, hindi talaga nakitang nag-spray ako, whatever. Wala talaga akong hilig sa ganito.
Anthony.
Smells good.
Anthony.
Basic kayo siya dahil.
Ganun ba siya mga batang gagmay palayi? Yan siya batang palayi.
Asa mag-order dahil dito?
Ito.
Ah, okay.
Yes, I love my baby.
Wala, alam mo smell. Oo na, nagpahukot ka?
What about this one?
Alright, order na kami lang. Wala naman dahil music dahil. Alright pa.
Mura di man siguro mo ito.
Order na kami doon. Gina na mag-order. Na!
Alright.
Kisa niingon nga maka-lipstick ka.
Move them like beers up, I'll stack this.
Yeah, lipstick siya day. May pa siya day. Nagdala siyang make-up.
Wala, ganito na lang lipstick.
Me? Look ka, mami. Wow, kagwapa kasi bata ng lipstick. It's okay. Don't be sorry. You look so beautiful.
I know.
You want me to take it out from the tray so that we have more space?
Yeah, let's do that.
Set up.
Nak, what is inside your
That's a
bag,
rice?
Nak? Where's Nico? What else is inside your bag? Babe, basi masyak ko sa
Ano sila na yung ba? Ito yung nanapon kay make-up ron dala.
Sabi, Shabi? Show tita ba? Show tita, what's inside your bag?
There's your red horses. See everyone.
Who? Nah,
Ang
Joe.
naalagi siya,
Oh, yeah.
eyeshadow.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Well,
Manghis ako dahil.
yeah, no, well, that's why I got three, because I thought us three were going to be
Wala to.
That's all right, I'll take it home.
Yeah. Salt.
I went to the gym this morning.
Yum! Tingnan niyo ang crispy pata. May isa.
No, I like training.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Merong,
Yeah, in the morning.
natawag
Because
dito sinigang na baboy. Ayan, dinuguan, baboy,
when you sleep, you
and
basically you're not
sisig.
burning energy. So whatever you eat
Good
the night
girl,
before,
sweetheart.
it's still.
Ang yung bata niya na dyan lang muna. Kain na si mama.
If
Merong
you, later,
chicken doon.
if you train like in the afternoon
Red horse,
and you hadn't
come on.
eaten all day, you'd struggle. But first thing in the morning, you can do it.
Paburot-burot ba?
Taas yun yung bataan.
Ang buyag. Taas pag ginisayang ate.
Taas bataan.
Hindi na natin magamit imong prompts. Istoryado siya. Ay, pag sabay din. Yang ate, turo. Wala pa. May ano pa pala kami guys. Meron pa kaming halo-halo. Pero gusto ko pang kumain. Relax muna. Ato lang ko, Anday, ang halo-halo?
May iligaw ah.
Out of water.
Bali-bali po ang gamay. Ito naman siya.
Silly. How am I supposed to come into your mouth and your stomach if you keep laughing? Here I come. How can I do this? Do you reckon I can fit?
Dalang sa kita.
Here we go. Here we go.
Show Victor how long the tongue is.
I didn't like a monster.
Yeah, it's really long.
Like a monster. I'm gonna put that
Very nice.
silly.
Very nice dito.
I need an ice cream.
Never na siya nagpacifier dahil.
Go to surgery on your stomach.
Silin dahil. Silin ba? Ako po di.
I want some out of your tummy.
Naman, pagkaon mo rin kung si Paris.
Ha? Ako kayo dili yun, natagak.
A few moments later.
Nakalabas na rin. Mga dalawang oras dahil. Ang mga 3 oras kami doon guys.
Okay.
Na mahangin sa labas.
It's like a YouTube show about this little brother. She watches this brother and sister on YouTube.
Naubos din ang pagkain eh. Mura na tayo buntis ngayon. Mukhang buntis na naman tayo.
Brother, and they get the sister.
Did you like your food? Did you like your rice, honey?
It's alright, don't worry about it.
It's good. Oh, katugnaw eh. So we're gonna get back to the car now. Uwi na kami. Ewan ko kung saan pa kami pupunta kasi may time pa eh.
And jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump. Oh.
Oh, we have to up. Huh? You're gonna go up?
Yeah, can we go driving?
Nandun lang sa sakyan, oh. Pinaturn ko kay Daddy Mike kasi sobrang init. Loob.
1, 2, 3, and jump.
Dad, thank you for coming, ha? Anthony, thank you for
Thank you,
for
kayo. Dahil ka na busog.
Inviting us.
Very busog. So much busog. 1, 2, 3, and jump.
Oh, boo, 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 boo.
1, 2, 3, and jump.
Paris.
1, 2, 3, and
Is it hot, Bob?
jump.
Is it hot?
1, 2, 3, and...
Check tayo guys, it is 5 o'clock in the afternoon and dito lang kami sa sasakyan. Kakapasok lang namin. Hindi pa kami nakaalis, nandito pa kami sa labas ng restaurant. What is it na?
That's my shadow.
Yeah, I can see your shadow.
Why?
So, it's good. Did you like the food, Daddy?
Not the sinigang.
You didn't like it?
Do you like? Do you
So good? Not
Yeah.
enough tamarind. What did you say now?
There's no tamarind in it at all.
What did you like? What did you say now? Do you like Filipina?
Daddy.
Do you like Filipina, Daddy? Or is asking?
It needed, it was
More
like,
tamarind?
it needed tamarind full stop. I don't think they put any in there. It tasted like when you make,
The dinola? Or just the the normal?
it tastes like when you made that.
Yeah.
And the rest of it, no, it was alright, but no.
Chika tayo mamaya guys. Ang anak ko ay umiiyak na. So, see you later. See you. Chika later. Bye! Dito kami ngayon sa labas ng 7-Eleven. Nakauwi na pala kami guys. Kaya lang, pagdating namin ng bahay, ang dalawang kiddos ay tulog. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, let's just go for a drive. So, pinaalis ko muna si Daddy Mike. Bumibili siya ng Slurpee. Kasi mainit yung panahon. Habang tulog pa tong dalawa. Gusto ko na din tong i-open. Oh. Order ko to online. Online shopping for more. Yeah. Nung pumunta kami ng shopping center with Baby Paris and Celine, tinry ko na to siya. Kaya lang, sobrang namahalan ako guys. Kasi tingnan nyo, ano to siya, yung brand niya is Saba. Size extra small. Tapos, kasi ganito yung, tingnan yung price niya guys. Ayan, so original price niya is 99 Australian dollars. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, 99 guys, I can't justify like paying $99 for like, anong tawag dito? Racer tank top? Yun ba yun? Racer tank? But I really love the color. Tapos yung kanyang material is super duper superb talaga yung kanyang quality. Ayan. Tapos yung kulay niya is in rose quartz. Yun yung ano, kulay niya. Diba maganda siya? Sobrang ganda. Meron ka makikita dito sa mga ano lang, mga lower na brand na mga damit. Mga ganitong style. Pero hindi ganito yung quality. Trust me, hindi talaga ganito. Ito siya very soft na stretchy, pero hindi siya ano tawag ito, hindi siya cheapo na quality. See that? Remember this day?
Yes.
So I bought it online because they had the thing. They had the Black Friday sale. So 20% off. Anyways, I think I only paid 60 something dollars.
Last one.
And they do free shipping as well kapag over $50. So binili ko.
$60 mommy's singlet. Well done.
This is nice man. It's super nice.
Must be.
You'll see, Bob, when I try it. You will
Baptized or something?
you will see what I'm talking about when
Is
you
that
see
what
me
they
wearing
put? Is
this.
that what they put Jesus on? Is that what they laid Jesus in when he was in the manger?
Hindi talaga guys kasi I'm very big with quality ng damit.
Very big with expensive.
Expensive. Quality ng damit. It's quality versus quantity. So
Nice.
kahit na walang marami, basta maganda yung quality, masusuot mo siya ng masusuot.
Mama's price over.
Daddy,
Expensive over cheap.
Coke is mine.
No, you said the right thing. You said I don't want Coke. Give me something like Fanta.
I said
No, swap.
I want Coke. If
Yeah.
there's no Coke, give me Fanta. Bungol ka.
I feel bad for her because if she wakes up,
Yeah, I know.
imagine how upset she'd be. Two empty ones.
Or just do what lah? Sobrang ganda ng araw. It's outside is 26 degrees.
Let's go back.
Did you enjoy your lunch today?
So, yes.
Yung nagustuhan ko lang talaga doon ay yung crispy pata. Yung skin niya kasi sobrang crunchy. But the rest,
There.
Someone's making noise. Alright. We'll go home now, guys. We'll see you there. Hello. We're home. Are you home now? Are you home now? Is my baby home? Do we have to change your nappy? It is now 5 o'clock, guys. Kauwi na kami. How was your day, anak? How was your laag-laag, anak?
On the domain app, we can use finger maps to draw a shape and focus only in the area we want. I draw a heart, babe.
Aww. Do you love your sister, anak?
Yes.
Hey, do you love your baby sister?
Yep.
Yep.
About your nose.
Ito yung binili namin from the shop yesterday. Give it to her na. See if she'll take it from you. Nee. Do you like that one, honey? Ito para sa kanyang gums. I actually touched her gums before nung nag-bath kami
Which
kaninang
gums?
umaga. Celine's gums. She's having some teeth. Ate Paris, do you love your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah? How much?
So much.
So much. What's your sister's name?
Slim.
Celine?
Ray.
What's her name?
Slim Ray.
Celine Ray. Alam niyo guys, sobrang bait ng ating Ate Paris talaga. Kanina pag-agising niya, gusto niyang mag-move doon sa bed namin. And sabi niya, Mommy, can you move Celine a little bit? I don't wanna hurt her. Ganun kasi nag-move siya. No?
Every jump is in my tummy, you win. Like this.
Like that?
And throw it like this.
Okay.
And
Don't throw it on the floor na. Okay, Celine's gonna use that one. She's gonna put that in her mouth. So, very chill to siya, guys. Kasi alam nyo, i-change ko yan, ano niya. Ang tawag ito, yung kanyang bam-bam. Kasi nakapupo.
Slim.
Can you smell, baby Celine?
Suck It's not good.
Smells good?
Yeah, I smell your.
Kalay ka na ko eh. You're so kalay. Ikabi kalay. Buang. Buang ka.
Bongkwanga.
Walang ni mo. Mami, ha?
It smells good.
It smell good?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Tingnan nyo guys, nag-lipstick pala yan siya.
I
Kanina
tried it
pagdating
too.
namin sa restaurant. Did you put lipstick on? What color lipstick did you put on?
Pink. 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 Pink.
We'll change the bam bam. We'll change the bam bam because what time it is now?
Sleep. Sleep.
Anak,
Sleep. Sleep. Big girl.
she doesn't want to stand up.
Because she likes standing up.
Ang ating baby girl ay nakabihis na for bed. She's gonna go to sleep. Itong isa ay nakadress ko.
Put that there.
Go to your big girl bed, anak. Go to your big girl bed. We're going to read book for baby Celine.
I found books. And my big girl.
Which book would you like to read, honey?
I want to read another of this one.
Mom, you want?
My, I found more. Look
It's
here.
like the straightest legs.
Look here. I found some books.
Sweetheart.
Mom, I got some
Naka-off na yung light dito sa ano,
I got some books.
yung lamp na lang. Which one? We have to read one.
But you read 2 does not.
2? Okay.
I want to
Alright.
read this
I'm
one
gonna put her
first.
in here.
When
Put her in here.
When
Move a little
Yeah.
bit, honey.
I'm gonna pass it in.
Silly, right?
Read the book. Careful, Daddy. Cat and dog. Where's the cat, Paris? And the dog? Yeah. Where's the cat, Celine?
I want to be a cat like Celine. We'll be both cats. And you be the cat too, Mom.
Yes.
Free also going to be. Only girls can be the. Only girls can be the cats.
Okay.
If we got a boy and you have to be a dog.
Okay then. That is a dog.
Yeah, cause that is a boy.
Yes. Cat slept in the day.
Yeah, elephant.
Dog slept at night.
The cat is sleeping in the wall.
Yes. But every evening, as the sun went down,
Actually,
they
right?
met for a
Punching
scrap.
me. Mom, he's punching me.
Is she?
Yeah, he is.
Bunch of the Celine.
That's not really nice.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah,
Just a minute now.
he does, but
Just a minute.
it doesn't hurt. See, look.
Yeah.
He's just punching me because he likes punching me. Because he's a baby. Because he likes punching me. I'm stronger like this.
Yes.
But that didn't hurt.
One such evening, dog and cat scrap turned into a big argument.
And what did they say?
Is it true you cats can see in the dark? Asked